Hello friends, this is Arvind along with my YouTube channel Indiana Travelog. Currently I am here at Mandav Nature Park, which is rightly located above Victoria Bridge. You can see the confluence of river Byas and river Sukethi with the temple Panchvaktra Mahadev, and the ground, the puddle ground, you can clearly see a beautiful view from this point. The distant Kangni helipad is also visible to some extent, and we can imagine that in coming years there will be a lot of bridges that will be connecting the central part of this city or town with Purani Mandi and the main administrative headquarter of district Mandi. This is Purani Mandi, the main town before the main Mandi town emerged. You can see the town right now, and the capital of this Purani Mandi or the Mandi town was Bhioli, which is located just after this visual city portion that we are staring at. And they were just saying that Mandi ko jab lootenge, asmani gole chutenge. That means this town was blessed with by some saints that it won't be captured or it won't be slaved by any ruler. So this is an amazing town, historical town, and this is the headquarter of I think one of the largest MP constituency, Lok Sabha constituency. Beautiful. One must visit this place, and this is the view of this Mandav Nature Park, the parking area, some official residences and offices, and the hilltop is Dhangsidhaar, which is a place which offers a satellite view of this town. And amazing. I think it will be unfair if somebody is visiting Mandi and not visiting this place. One must come here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.